Thank you. I'm really excited to be here today to present some of the most exciting features we have released in the past couple of months. VORTEK Spaces is an application that provides designers an easy and intuitive way to create pictures and videos of your projects. All of that in the shortest amount of time possible. The process is quite simple. You can import your project from Cabinet Vision, select the textures from our library that contains thousands of different products from the industry, add and adjust the lighting live inside of your projects, add 3D models and decorations, and from there, you're ready to save pictures and videos to share with your customers. Don't underestimate your team. They already have the skills needed to create a stunning project and help you boost your sales. As you know, the whole team is constantly working on upgrading our application with new features, textures, and 3D models. All of those updates are being installed automatically since we use the Microsoft Store to push the updates. So first, we have the 3D models. They have been introduced in our application back in April already, but we've been working since then to get them even better, easier to use, and to make sure that you have a complete selection that will allow you to save time in your presentations. Some of the new categories that have been released includes bathroom accessories, plants, mirrors, animated cats, appliances, kitchen decorations and accessories, doors and windows, electronics, animated fires, office and desk accessories, sinks, walk-in accessories, animated trees, and the whole Wayfair catalog that contains over 40,000 different models and decorations. The idea behind the 3D models is to make sure that you can give some life and emotions to your projects without spending hours trying to find for the right accessories. I've always felt that when you put a stool next to a countertop or a kitchen table in the dining area, it really helps your customer understanding the overall dimensions of your room. Real mirrors. A lot of our users have been requesting real mirrors for a while now, so I'm really happy to let you know that it has finally happened. You will find them in the 3D models in a collection called Mirrors, I guess, and the collection includes both mirrors with frames and without frames that you can insert into your actual projects. Our library will also soon be updated with new doors, windows, sinks, and more 3D models that you can use in your projects. And those models will automatically create a hole around it. So that means that when you place a sink on a countertop, the sink will remove the countertop material so you can see inside the sink. That's also a very efficient way to add more windows and doors to your wall. We're also introducing object grouping in the 3D models. So that means that by using the control button on your keyboard, you will now be able to select multiple items and create groups to move them as one object. You can even save or duplicate a group of objects. The same feature will also allow us to release some models containing multiple decorations where you can just take some of them and move them somewhere else inside the project. Here's another feature that is quite interesting for Cabinet Vision users that do not have the Photo Vision option turned on. You'll now be able to use the DXF export directly inside VORTEK Spaces. To export a file from Cabinet Vision, you simply have to go in the 3D view, then click on Utilities and Export DXF. Working with the DXF file will just be as easy as working with the original VOK file, but when you first load your project, everything will be great. But we still have the grouping of the objects and all of that. So it will take about the same time to get to the finished project, and the quality will be the same as the VOK export. We have recently updated our new FAQ on our website that contains some of the most frequently asked questions from our users. On this page, you'll also find a new updated minimum requirements to be able to run Spaces, and also a keyboard shortcut printable document. The keyboard shortcuts are a great way to be more efficient and to save time when you're creating your projects. So for our actual users, I hope that you're happy with the way things are evolving with the application right now. If you have any suggestions on future improvements or features you'd like to see, please make sure to let us know. And for future users, you can go on vortekspaces.com to start your free 15-day trials. If you have any questions, you can contact us directly using the live chat on our website, by email, or you can also call your local Planit Cutting Edge representative. Before I let you go, please be sure to go and subscribe to our Instagram account to get inspired by some of our designs. If you do have an Instagram account yourself and start sharing your designs, please make sure to tag us as well so we're aware of it and we can go and like them back or even give you some tips and tricks when we see them. Thank you very much, and back to you guys.